Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A security team is discussing lessons learned and suggesting process changes after a security breach. Incident. During the incident, members of the security team failed to report the abnormal system activity due to a high project workload. Additionally, when the incident was identified, the response took 6 hours due to management being unavailable to provide the approvals needed. Which 2 steps will prevent these issues from occurring in the future? Choose 2. Option A. Introduce a priority rating for incident response workloads. Option B. Provide phishing awareness training for the field security team. Option C. Conduct a risk audit of the incident response workflow. Option D. Create an executive team delegation plan. Option E. Automate security alert timeframes with escalation triggers. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Introduce a priority rating for incident response workloads. Option D. Create an executive team delegation plan. Question 2. An engineer is investigating a ticket from the accounting department in which a user discovered an unexpected application on their workstation. Several alerts are seen from the intrusion detection system of unknown outgoing internet traffic from this workstation. The engineer also notices a degraded processing capability, which complicates the analysis process. Which 2 actions should the engineer take? Choose 2. Option A. Restore to a system recovery point. Option B. Replace the faulty CPU. Option C. Disconnect from the network. Option D. Format the workstation drives. Option E. Take an image of the workstation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Disconnect from the network. Option E. Take an image of the workstation. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.